let's go inside. So as soon as you walk in, you see long hallway. To your left, we have the stairs to all of the bedrooms. And look how nice, bright, and open it is. So as you go down the hallway, right here, you'll find storage space, access to the crawl space, some of my stuff. I love that they put shelves in here. And then we have a powder room. And to your right, we have the garage, which has been fully finished with paint and epoxy, great for entertaining or hobbies. But you're probably thinking, let's get to the inside, Celine. So here you go, the living room, gas fireplace, lots of natural light. And then over here we have the kitchen, as well as the dining room area. So this space is really great for entertaining. It's nice and open. And the family that used to live here entertains quite a bit, and they really, really love this home. They ended up relocating, and one of the biggest things they're gonna miss the most is this huge backyard. Look at this. And I love what they did over here. So right up there is obviously a gazebo, wonderful for relaxing. A lot of times they'd host their guests up there, and then there's another space down with a Trex deck. And what's really cool about this is it is synthetic turf, so very low maintenance. And then, of course, up there we have beautiful garden space. But this lot is almost 6,000 square feet, so it is one of the largest lots in this community. So right here, it goes on over here with some pavers, fully fenced. And then, this is such a retreat. Imagine coming up here and just enjoying a cup of coffee or a glass of wine or beverage of your choice. It's so quiet. So peaceful here. All right, let's keep going. All right, now it's time to go upstairs. Find storage immediately to your left. And then over here, you'll have the primary suite. And tall walk-in closet. It's huge. And then over here we have primary. And then down the hall, for convenience, we'll have the laundry room up here and full bathroom, tub in here, and we have a good sized bedroom here with a ceiling fan. bedrooms are a pretty good size. And then bedroom over here. And then you can also enjoy